Okay, we just got to Zephyr Cove in Nevada, Lake Tahoe. Behind me is the actual campground. So you pull in with your trailer, and then you got to walk across the street to this building here on the other side of this restaurant to check in. It's supposed to be a good restaurant, but unfortunately it's closed. And the only reason it's closed is not because of COVID, or I guess indirectly because of COVID. They can't find enough people to work here, so they're closed for the summer. So that's the bummer. Behind me is the Lake Tahoe, Zephyr Cove. So we're all checked in. I got to go back to the truck, find our parking spot, and settle in. But it's beautiful. It's so beautiful out here. Can't wait. Here we are at Zephyr Cove RV Park and Campground, located at 760 US Highway 50 in Zephyr Cove, Nevada, just a few short miles away from the California state line. Check-in was pretty easy, as I said earlier. This is a spot where I parked. Originally I thought it was the office, but it's actually the laundry facilities. But this is where I parked, then I walked across the street, checked in, and then drove through. This is our first time coming to this RV park. It came highly recommended, but with a warning. The warning was, be careful of the trees. There are lots and lots of trees at this campground, so getting in with any kind of a vehicle that's big, with a big rig, big coach, could be a little tricky. The spots were plenty big, but some of the turns were definitely tight. In addition to RV sites, they have showers and bathrooms all over the place, which is pretty good. They were pretty clean. They also had tent sites, as you can see here up in the hills. You had to hike a little bit to get to the tent sites, but they were really beautiful, surrounded by trees and big boulders. Very nice place. Again, lots of trees, as you can see. Getting in wasn't that big of a problem, but when it came time to leave, a couple of turns were very, very close. So something to be mindful of if you come here. Again, great place, directly across from the lake, very close, 5 minutes max, I think, walking distance. So a very nice place. Oh, and before I forget, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. H&M Venture, subscribe, hit that bell button. So it's an easy walk to the lake. Again, 5 minutes max. The hardest part is crossing Highway 50 here. Sometimes it takes quite a long time for you to get the walk signal. But other than that, very easy. And you can actually see the lake right from where I'm standing here. The lake is beautiful. Zephyr Cove is awesome. Lots of people, but we never had a problem finding a place to put our chairs and our blankets and whatnot. It was probably about 80 degrees the time we were there. The water was very warm and beautiful, very easy to get to. Walking from the campground to the beach was just breathtaking. The way it opens up to the lake, it's just absolutely beautiful. This was probably about a 75, close to 80 degree day. Lots of people, but lots of beach left for us to set up our stuff, and we had plenty of space to hang out for the 4 days we were there. They also had rentals for jet skis nearby. I actually stopped at the little booth and asked about the prices. How much is the rental?
$180 for in harbor. That's point to point, pine tree to pine tree, and a mile out. $200 an hour for out of harbor.
I know. Oh wow, holy cow. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So that means turn.
That means turn, yep, when you turn your handlebars.
Yeah? Why?
No rat on your head anymore?
But he was my friend.
Well, why did you need that to whack?
I don't know. He was helping me cook.
Well, not anymore.
Not anymore? What the heck? And I gotta cook regular?
Yeah, he got one out at our campsite.
Oh, he went to another campsite?
No, and one out.
Oh, he ran out?
Yeah,
You scared him away?
yes.
Oh man, what the heck? Well, this is our last day here at Zephyr Cove. Never been here before. I was having a conversation with Heidi earlier. I think the last time I was in Lake Tahoe was in 1998, 99 maybe. It's so close to us too. We're probably about 4 hours away. 5 hours maybe if you're towing the trailer. I think we just take this area for granted, just like back home. But me and Heidi's been talking. We definitely want to come back. Zephyr Cove is beautiful. So relaxing. It's been in the mid to high 80s here. Again, this is our last day. It's just absolutely beautiful. No wind. The water is warm, considering it's a little cool when you first get in, at least for me. But the longer you're in, the cooler or the warmer it gets. It's very comfortable. This is our third full day, our fourth day at the lake, and we've pretty much been spending the whole day here at the lake. It's just been so beautiful. Lots of people, but we've managed to be able to have a spot right on the waterfront. My feet are literally 2-3 feet away from the water right now, and it's been like that for the last 4 days. Lots of people here for sure, as you can see. Definitely a lot of people. We got here about 1:30, almost 2, but it didn't prevent me from grabbing this site. This is the site pretty much that we've had for the last 4 days. Can't see them from here, but Heidi and Liam are way out there. I'm going to join them here in a second. Anyway, it's been a fabulous trip. It's been a fantastic trip. Total vacation feel. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to go join Heidi and Liam out in the water.